Did you know that launching your website doesn't have to cost a fortune? A lot of people think starting a website means spending hundreds of dollars on hosting, setup, and complicated tech. But the truth is, getting online has never been easier or more affordable. Whether you're starting a business, launching a blog, building an online store, creating a portfolio, or growing your personal brand, one thing is certain. You need reliable web hosting. Your website needs to load fast, stay online 24/7, and give your visitors a smooth experience. Because in today's world, if your website is slow, your visitors leave. That's why so many website owners choose Interserver. Interserver offers powerful, reliable web hosting starting at just $2.50 per month. Yes, just $2.50 a month to get your website online. With Interserver, you get fast SSD storage, unlimited hosting features, strong security protection, professional support, and the performance you need to grow your website with confidence. Whether you're a complete beginner creating your first website or an experienced entrepreneur scaling your online business, Interserver gives you everything you need without breaking the bank. And the best part? At just $2.50 per month, you can start building your online presence today for less than the cost of a cup of coffee. So if you're ready to launch your website, grow your brand, or start your online business, the link is provided in the video description below. Click the link, get started with Interserver for just $2.50 a month, and launch your website today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.